Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange the UCL, UL and UECL. This is guaranteed UEFA live player you can get in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the quest, challenge the event or complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap play and tap the live events, tap the UEFA Champions League event and tap this main page. This is the main page of UEFA Champions League event, and this one player exchange, tap it. So as you can see, there are some options here. I want to show you this one. Exchange reward UCL, UEL or UECL player. This is the new one, the Confederation. So you can get this player, the Continent, UEFA Continent Cup. The orange one is from UEL, and this is from UCL. You can get also from UECL, the green one, but they are not here as a possible reward. But if you are not got this possible reward, you will guarantee reward. There is a guarantee reward for you. The 75 until 89, the UCL, UEL, UECL player. So you have to, let's get back, you have to fulfill this condition. There are exchange condition here. 70 until 74 of your player, all position. Make it simple, just tap the quick add here and tap the exchange. Let's see who's I've got. I've got UEFA Champions League player here, and I've got this Kepa from Real Madrid. So try your luck, exchange your player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.